And I love me a Mercedes. Now you doing too much. You're doing too much. You were in the wrong. Buddy, get your big ass in the car, bro. Registration expired 3 years ago. Get your big ass back in that Mercedes and messing up the suspension. You were in the wrong. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Ross back at it again with another video. So we're gonna check out show-offs end in crash, bad drivers, and driving fails. Learn how to drive, man. I'm pretty sure we've seen clips, and I'm sure, maybe I've seen it in person if you've been to a car meet where someone is leaving a car meet or whatnot, and a lot of times they may try to show off, whether it's be leaving the car meet super fast, or burning rubber, or drifting out of the car meet. And sometimes it goes well, and other times it goes spectacularly bad. And it's just one of those things where some people cannot control the cars that they have. Let's just be honest. A lot of people can't control the cars that they have, even with the modifications. Not everybody's a good driver. So we're going to check out some of these moments where people just, overestimate their driving skills or have lack thereof driving skills and end up messing up their vehicles, man. Appreciate all love, support. Please be safe out there in any situation. Let's get right into these crazy videos, man. All right. Spinning wild. Pops the curb. There you go. Fucks your shit up, bro. And that's a clean ass setup. Wide body too. Clean, like the wheels on there. Fucked your shit up. Why? Gotta show out. That's all on you. Yep, after leaving a car meet, tried to show off, lost control, crashed. This was only the fourth car leaving the event. That's on you, bro. Embarrassing. Alright. Gotta stop. Everything seems good. What are they doing? How is that even possible? Whoa. So they have the right of way to go. I guess they definitely didn't see them right there, because this is plenty enough time. They stop. You should be able to see them right there unless you're not paying attention. They're not so technically supposed to be walking, but the pedestrians always have the right of way. No matter if they're wrong, they do have the right of way because they're pedestrians. You're in a car. Definitely should be stopping. Jaywalking pedestrian suddenly ran into my lane after blocking another car, doubled down on his complete disregard for his own life, and almost traumatized me for the rest of mine. Yeah, glad that he was able to stop, he or she. But this, even if a pedestrian is in the wrong, you still gotta watch out for them, because at the end of the day, you're in a very heavy vehicle going at high rates of speed. They don't stand a chance, even though they're in the wrong. The fact they just kept walking is kind of crazy. It's like they wanted to get hit. All right. Ooh, come on. You seen them. I thought she was going to stop so I could get by. Turns out I was incorrect. You seen them turning, bro. You might as well have just gotten out of the lane or slow down. Oh my! Yeah. Rear end collision, multiple cars, person wasn't paying attention, whoever that was. Jeez, bro. Whoo! Driver crashed into stop traffic at full speed, causing 3-vehicle collision. All 3 vehicles were totaled. Everyone survived. Jesus. Pay attention, y'all. All right. Yeah, no, they weren't stopping. They were not stopping. Yeah. They were in the wrong, though. And I love me a Mercedes. Now you doing too much. You're doing too much. You were in the wrong. Buddy, get your big ass in the car, bro. Registration expired 3 years ago. Get your big ass back in that Mercedes and messing up the suspension. You were in the wrong. You see somebody cutting across, the smart thing to do is just to slow down. Get your big ass back in that car, bro. What are we doing? I explained I did not run a red light. He argues. Hold on. I mean, we have footage right here. Okay. Hold on. Let's just look at this. It's a green light. It's a green light, you fucking moron. Which means tell him I have a dash cam and I will show the video to police if necessary. He drives out, probably shouldn't have a license, or maybe he doesn't. Bro, get your big ass back in that damn car, bro. Officer showed him the dash cam footage at a nearby Planet Fitness. He refused. Yeah, because he know he was wrong. Get your big ass out of here. He said, stop, buddy. Yep. Buddy did run it, though. He did run it. He should have probably stopped. The usual culprits in the Nissan. Yep, I said it. The usual culprits in a Nissan. Senseless speeding, broken streets, red light intersection crash. Are we surprised? No, that's on them. Arkansas State Police. All right, looks like he's about to go in pursuit. Oh, he's moving. Oh no. Oh no. Getting ready for the pit maneuver. Oh. Yep. I think that's it. Spring Hicks fled an Arkansas State Police traffic stop, reaching speeds over 100 miles per hour before a TBI maneuver ended the pursuit. Hicks was arrested after attempting to flee on foot and was charged with felony fleeing, reckless driving, speeding, and other violations.
Somebody, get on your back. Turn around. Hands behind your back. Freaking goober.
What he called him, a freaking goober? Hold on, bro.
Freaking goober.
Moment for us to like tell. It's great that we have that.
Light is green.
To tell that story, but then when I talk.
Yep. Wasn't paying attention. You gotta always pay attention when you're about to turn, bro.
Someone they love or who's going through whatever.
Gotta pay attention, man.
It's not a heartbreak song. It's not a dance song. It's this song, and it's so singular for.
Okay. What's going on here? That's a crazy little setup. Oh, they must be doing some construction. Oh, they got him. Yep, they got him. That's not supposed to be happening. I don't even think they realize.
Crazy.
Why would you do that? Why would you? Ladies and gentlemen, this is a yield stoplight. You're supposed to yield when it's on the solid green. They do give you the option where it's the turning arrow, so you're protected to move. But if it's yield and there's traffic moving at high rates of speed, just fucking wait. Don't matter how long it takes, just wait, bro. Because if you're trying to cut across and they moving pretty fast, guess what, buddy? They're gonna have to stop from hitting you. And look now.
That is insane.
Bro, look at that, bro.
And I feel like we're in like such a precarious
Yeah, no,
position.
we're in a terrible because if they swerve, they're gonna hit us. Oh my
Bad driver
God.
tries to make an unprotected left across 3 lanes of traffic, Houston, Texas.
Like I was just thinking of the
Sounds about
cars
right.
hitting that car and the
Waymo almost hits me, proceeds to drive on the wrong side of the road. Yeah, that's the one thing about those autonomous driving vehicles. That can be pretty dangerous for someone that's in there. Oh, they lost control in slippery conditions. Ooh, good evasive maneuvers. Another person lost control in the same area. Hydroplane. Yep. Y'all got to slow down, bro, in these situations, bro. Especially when the weather is inclement. Come on, bro. That's avoidable. That's super avoidable. What are we doing? What's going on here? Do they got a flat? Are they okay? Like, what's going on?
911.
Yes.
All operators are busy assisting other callers. Please stand by connected operators will assist you. No, hang up. Usted ha llamado al 911.
Yo.
Todos los operadores están ocupados ayudando a otras llamadas. Por favor, manténganse en la línea and the next available operator will assist you. Do not hang up. Usted ha llamado al 911. Todos los operadores están ocupados ayudando a otras llamadas.
The fact it's taking so long to get to like an operator from 911 is also concerning too. But what the fuck is going on?
Por favor, manténgase en la línea telefónica y el próximo disponible operador lo ayudará.
Bro, what
no cuelgue,
is happening?
You have telefónica y el próximo disponible operador lo ayudará.
They still haven't been able to get to somebody.
You have reached 911. All operators are busy assisting other callers.
Damn, bro. This sucks.
Do not hang up. Usted ha llamado al 911.
What? They're like, bro, what is happening?
Por favor, manténgase en la línea telefónica y el próximo disponible operador lo ayudará. No cuelgue, por favor. You have reached 911. All operators are busy assisting other callers.
They still haven't been able to get to some operator.
Will assist you. Do not hang up. Usted ha llamado al 911.
Still driving. Don't know what's happening. What is going on?
Hello.
Finally gets to the operator.
Yes, I'm here at Angeles Forest and Pear Blossom Highway. There's a drunk driver driving on the shoulder, scraping against the, what's it called, the guardrail. He's all over the road.
Okay.
That sounds about right. Because I was trying to figure out what's happening, but now it makes sense. The fact that it took them that long to get someone to answer the 911 call, like get an operator, but that's starting to make sense. Yeah. Shout out to this person being a good Samaritan, trying to call somebody because, I mean, clearly they're out of it. Clearly they're not in the right state to even be driving.
Which one is he? Is he on the 14 or is he
14.
driving on Angeles? Okay.
14 North. We're at exit 30, just passing it right now.
What kind of car is it and what color?
It's a Cadillac SRX. Oh, he just crashed. He crashed. Oh.
What did he hit, sir?
He crashed into the guardrail or something.
What color is the Cadillac?
It's a gray one. The license plate is 8 Lincoln Henry Nancy 517.
Shout out to this Samaritan, bro. Following them. Shout out to this other person. Looks like they're following them too. Drunk driver arrested by CHP after driving off road for an estimated half an hour.
Back and sees the zombies.
Hey man, shout out to the Samaritans. I know some people are, oh, mind your own business. No, you never know when it comes to people that are drunk driving, and you know that can be dangerous for anybody on the road. You know, we've seen certain stories of people drunk driving, and then ultimately they don't even lose their lives. I'm not saying that I want them to, but the other people that end up hitting them or they end up losing their lives. So
approaching. 2 of them have taken the lead, apparently upping the speed at the sight of fresh meat. Help me! All the shots, biting down hard, grabbing Axel's wrists once more, ignoring how he feels. Lift him up. You like us so very good. Oh, fuck, his skin is all fucked up. I know, think about something else. All the breeze, the gritty teeth. Haul Axel around the back of the car. Hold on, Malta says, fumbling with one hand to open the trunk. He finds the button, and it pops open. Hurry the fuck up! Eli shouts. Shoe slips in the greasy gunk, sliding sideways, and he falls hard on his ass, clapping his teeth together, biting his tongue hard.
Hey, man. Sometimes you're in the right place at the right time, man. But nevertheless, hey, these are some crazy videos. And once again, I say this to anyone and anyone that's out there, just be safe on the road. You got to drive for yourself and others around you. Be vigilant. Just make sure you're paying attention and get off your phones. Play your music and stuff like that. I've done much better. I have me like a window mount. I put my phone there, and I usually reply to messages when I'm able to get to a stopping point. And I've done much better with that because I used to be the person that used to be on their phone a little bit too much, and I've stopped doing it as much because you need to be able to pay attention. And I'm glad I have, because there's been certain situations, if I wasn't paying attention, I probably would have hit somebody or someone that just randomly braked really hard. So just pay attention out there so that way you can drive safe as possible. And also, I'm not sponsored by no one, but get you a dash cam. They got some reasonably priced ones at Amazon. Get you a dash cam. I think it's more important now than ever before, because people don't care when it comes to how they drive now on the road. But comment down below, let me know some other car related videos y'all want me to check out. I definitely will. Appreciate all love, support. Road to 30K, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.